Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing Sculptra. We have our amazing patient here. She's the sweetest and the most great. So if you look in the mirror together, our plan would be to fill in the nasolabial fold here, here, and here. This is called the marionette line. We'll go ahead and do the temples also, then we'll do the mid-face and the cheeks. Sound good?
Yep.
Awesome. So first we'll start with the temples and work our way down. So for the temples, you have to be careful because it's one of the most vascular parts. The temples lift the whole face and they completely change the look. So now I want you all to look at our temples first. See how there's an indentation there, okay? We're using Sculptra, which is poly-L-lactic acid today. We're using poly-L-lactic acid. What we're gonna do is we're gonna find the point of maximal indentation and we go straight in. Feel the bone, gently pull off the bone. Aspirate to make sure we're not in a blood vessel. Because we all know this, that the vessels in the face, the blood vessels don't have valves. So if you inject in the wrong spot, you can impair somebody's vision permanently. Fantastic. Gently going to come out. Minimal bleeding, perfect injection. And look back over there. Compare this temple to that temple. See the difference? The whole face has come up gently. We're going to keep doing more, but it's a nice straight contour. You can see one side done, one side not, so you can appreciate it.
Oh yeah, look at that. Very cool. Very cool. Yeah, I like that.
Same thing, 1, 2, 3, all the way down on the bone, pull off, aspirate. You look at the point of maximal indentation. And we gently fill in. Now you come out. Fantastic. Now we're going to get the nasolabial fold, the marionette line. We're gently going to pull back. We're going to go in very gently. Now there's the angular artery here. We have to be very careful. We have to aspirate. We're not in a vessel. Now we're going to gently inject. I'm injecting anterograde and retrograde. Now we're going to get this line right here. Again, same thing. Go in, pull back, gently inject. Now again, we see the nasolabial fold here. Gently pull back and see it. Fantastic. Gently go in. Aspirate. We're safe. The marionette lines, the nasolabial fold, the temples, we're now going to go ahead and do her mid-face. So to do this, we gently lift the face up. We go in towards the mid-face. We pull back. Okay. We're going to inject volume here to tighten the skin. Excellent. Now we're going to get her cheekbone, turn a little bit more to the left. I feel the zygomatic bone here. I go into the hair skin, gently glide along the bone, pull back, not in a blood vessel. Double check, no vessel, and inject very carefully here. Excellent. Again, same thing. We're going to go ahead and pull the skin back, go in very gently, pull back, safe. Here. Now this is the mid-face, this is the zygoma or the cheekbone. Go in, pull back. This is a full face Sculptra treatment. The key thing with this is to prevent any lumps, we just need to do circular massage like this for 3 minutes, 3 times a day for the next 3 weeks, okay?
Okay, 3, 3, 3.
Yeah. It's gonna come out really nice.
I'm excited.
Yeah, I'll let you look. Take a look.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I can definitely see a difference. Look at that. Wow, that's so cool.